Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll tell you exactly how to move to Canada from USA as a US citizen. Now, if you are looking at moving to Canada, there is a lot of different options available depending on your age and your background. So these could be looking to study in Canada. So if you are the younger generation and you are looking at making a move, you are studying, you want to transfer to a university in Canada, you can absolutely do that and get a study permit depending on the institution, the length of program. You can then get a postgraduate open work permit to get some Canadian work experience, which can then hopefully lead to your permanent residency. If you are an older individual also looking to pursue master's or PhD or another degree, you can also look at a study permit. There's not an age restriction on study permits in Canada. If you work for a multinational company or you know your American company has branches in Canada, you can look at intercompany transfers with that type of job offer. That is also an option. You can look at Express Entry, which is a points based system looking at age, education, language proficiency in English or French. If you know both, perfect. But if you just know English, that is okay as well. If you are married to a Canadian and you guys are living in the States, but now you want to move back to Canada, it's very easy for a Canadian citizen or permanent resident to sponsor their spouse or common law partner back to Canada. So that is always an option as well. So there is lots of different options available. And now I have told you exactly how to move to Canada from the USA. I hope this video is useful to you all guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.